All right, use substitution to solve the system of equations. So we have y equals 2x minus 4 and negative 6x plus 3y equals negative 12. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look for the variable that's all by itself on one side, and that's this y right here. So I'm going to circle what it equals, which is 2x minus 4. Since it's y equals, I'm going to draw one arrow to that y, and that means I'm putting the 2x minus 4 in this y in my bottom equation. So now I'm going to rewrite my bottom equation, but I'm replacing y with 2x minus 4. So negative 6x plus 3 times 2x minus 4 equals negative 12. So I'll start this by bombing it. I'll bring down this negative 6x. 3 times 2 is 6x. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Negative 6x and positive 6x make 0. So I'm going to cross those off. So I'm left with negative 12 equals negative 12. Now, does negative 12 equal negative 12? Yes, it does. They're both the same. So if you think about intersecting one solution, parallel no solutions, identical infinitely many, which one do you think would be the same? The same. That is identical, because same and identical have the same meaning, and then infinitely many. So there is no coordinate point for this one. The answer isn't intersecting one solution. It's identical infinitely many.
Excuse the interruption. For the winning sticker for Hat Day, it is a Hawaiian shirt. That's the winning sticker. If you have the Hawaiian shirt, go see Mr. Dummer.
All right, on this example, the variable all by itself on one side is this y. So I'm going to circle the 4x minus 6. Since it's y equals, I'm going to plug it into y. So I'm going to write my bottom equation, but I'm going to replace y with 4x minus 6. So I have 5x plus 3, and then instead of y, I'm writing 4x minus 6 equals negative 1. This is a train tracks problem, and I have to bomb it again. So 5x plus 12x, and then 3 times negative 6 is negative 18 equals negative 1. Now I'm going to combine same side like terms. 5x and 12x make 17x. So couple in third wheel, add 18 to both sides. 17x equals 17. Break up my couple, and I'm left with 1. So now, since I got half of a coordinate point, I have to keep going. I know my answer is going to be 1 comma something, so I know it's an intersecting one solution, but I got to figure out that other coordinate point. So I'm going to take that 1, and I always like to plug it back into my circle. So y equals 4 times 1 minus 6. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 minus 6 is negative 2. So this would be intersecting and one solution. Intersecting one solution. All right, on this one we have y by itself on both sides, or two y's that are by themselves. So I'm just going to pick one of them. It doesn't matter. You have 2. You can choose what you want to circle. So I'll just pick the bottom one. Since it's y equals, I'm plugging it in for y in the top equation. So instead of y, I'm going to write negative 3x plus 1 equals 2x plus 1. So now I have a variable on opposite sides. I need to get it on the same side. So I could either add 3x to both sides or subtract 2x. I'm gonna add 3x because that will keep everything positive. So then I'll subtract my third wheel on both sides. And it's okay that you're gonna get a 0 there. We'll still divide both sides by 5. 0 divided by any number is 0. So there is half of my answer. 0 is my x-coordinate, I have to find my y-coordinate. So I'm going to plug 0 in for x back into my circle. So y equals negative 3 times 0 plus 1. So y equals 0 plus 1, y equals 1. So intersecting one solution. And then the homework for this lesson isn't going to be the worksheet, it's going to be this book assignment right here. Page 345, numbers 1 through 2, 8 through 11, and 17.